Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to check leave balance in Zoho People. Alright, so first up, if you are an employee, you can go ahead over to leave tracker right here. Just click on it. And once done, you'll be landed here under leave summary. So what you do is just click on leave balance. And here you have the available leave types and your available balance. Okay. Now, if you are an admin, if you want to view the available balances for your employees, all right, you can go ahead and go to reports right here. Now go ahead and find organization reports right here and just go ahead and find leave balances. Or you can just go ahead and type it down right here, leave. Okay, you have your employee leave balance, click on it. And there you have it. You can go ahead and select from one of your employees right here that you want to check. For example, Rhea right here. As you can see, she got available balance right here, which is 5, and she has taken 2 right here. Okay, here we have the graph or the day leave chart. Right, that's per day. If you want per hour, you can go ahead and click on hour. If you want a chart or list, just select from here. All right, and there you have it. As you can see, we have the current balance for absent 0, compensatory off 0, on duty we have 5, sick leave, optional holiday 5. All right, and that is it. That is how you check leave balance here in Zoho People. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.